Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Rogue Sport. The Nissan Rogue Sport is a subcompact SUV that provides all the functionality. A smooth ride, lots of cargo room, and a roomy back seat is a recipe for a pleasant traveling experience. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, outside temperature gauge, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, backup camera, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.